This top 5 my favorite Rubik's Cube patterns. We're playing this. We're not using a real life Rubik's Cube. We're actually using an app called Cube Rubik's. Hashtag not sponsored by Cube Rubik's. Quiet ka. Tapos, si mama ko yun. So, this is the first one. First one will do the thumbnail. So, quiet ka! So, this is how the first one works. So, do this, middle turn, and do that. So, boom, 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 until you get this pattern, and here. And I'll show you the next one. Let me restart this. Okay, so this is 1 and 2, and then turn this around, and then correct these pieces, and then you have a line. So, see, the fastest way is that, but I recommend doing it. So the next one is like this: boom, and then boom, and then boom, and then boom, and then boom. You have 2 by 2. I call it 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 3, 2 by 2. Yeah, that's the name. So let's restart it. So let's do that thing again right there. This straight line pattern. So this is supposed to do the same thing as the first one. 1, 2. Oh, it's top 4. Yeah. Wait, huh? I forgot. Okay. Boom that, boom that, boom that, boom that, boom that, boom that. We have this pattern now. We can sandwich fold it. And as I mean, ho, ho, ho. Yeah. That's why nasabi ng mama ko yun. Tapos, this is actually 11. Look. Boom. Boom. If you do it sideways. If you look on. So, ho. Tapos, it makes 11. So, that's my top 5. I'm trying to spell here like. Okay, let's just edit it. Like. Let's edit this. Right there. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.